Hello students, in this module we are going to learn about Roman numerals. Children, Roman numerals were originated in ancient Rome to calculate the numbers and values. The number system which we are using is Hindu-Arabic numeral system. Children, we make use of Roman numerals in our day-to-day life. You must have seen at your home, at marketplaces, in our school. We have seen many clocks, and on the face of clocks the numbers, they are written in Roman numerals, children. You all can see on the screen also, your teacher, she has put a picture of a clock with the numbers, the 12, 1, 2, 3, all the numbers, they are written in Roman numerals. Children, in our school also, you must have seen outside your class number plate. Every class has a number plate, children. This is class 1, class 2, class first A, 2A, 2B, right? So 2A, 2B, they are written in what, children? The 2 is written in Roman numerals. So we make use of these Roman numerals in our day-to-day life. In the books also we have seen the page numbers, they are written in Roman numerals. Now the next topic comes is how to read Roman numerals. Children, you all can see on your screen there's one table, and I have divided the table into two. The first one is Hindu-Arabic numeral and the second one is Roman numerals. The Romans, they used only 7 symbols to form the numbers. Children, the 7 symbols are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. And you all can see on the top of that I have put the numbers 1, 5. Here I equals 1, V means 5, X equals 10, L equals 50, C equals 100, D equals 500 and M equals 1000. Children, there is no symbol for 0 in the system. Children, for now we're only going to focus on numbers from 1 to 39. It means you have to study. For this year, you need to focus only on numbers. You need to study numbers from 1 to 39. Now, children, before moving further, we need to study some rules for the Roman numerals. How you will write the Roman numerals? There are some rules for that. Your teacher is going to read one by one all the rules and I'll explain you. So, the first rule is, children, A, I have written there on the screen. You all can see symbols I and X can be repeated maximum 3 times to form a number. In our last slide, children, I have shown you one table where the symbols were used, 7 symbols. Now out of the 7 symbols, children, symbol I and X, these 2 symbols, you can repeat these symbols maximum 3 times, not more than that, right? So just see an example. You all can see down there I equals 1, right? So value of I is 1. Children, for 2 we can write double I, and for 3 I can write I means I can write 3 times. And on the rule what I have written, children, symbol I can be repeated maximum 3 times. It means I cannot write I 4 times, right? I can write I only 3 times. So for writing 1, 2, 3, I can make use of I. For 1, I 1 time, for 2, I 2 time, and for 3, I can write I 3 times. I. Done? Children, same rules applies for X also. X also you can repeat X maximum 3 times. So the first time the value of single X is what? 10. If you need to write 20, you can write XX because 10 plus 10, 20. Again, if you want to write 30, children, you can write XXX, that is 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. But children, for writing 40, you cannot write XXXX, you cannot write X 4 times because there is a rule that you can use symbols I and X maximum up to 3 times. Now, children, comes the second rule, that is the B1. There is no concept of place value system in Roman numeral system. Children, generally we study ones, tens, hundreds. So there is no place value system in Roman numerals. The next rule, that is the C1, children. Symbols V, L, D cannot be repeated more than once. Children, in our last slide we studied what? Ki symbols I and X can be repeated up to 3 times. But here the 3 symbols, that is V, L and D, cannot be repeated more than once. Once means if you are making use of V once, you cannot write one more time. You cannot write VV, children. Right? You can make use of these symbols only once. Now the next one, that is the D1, children. A symbol of smaller value before symbol of greater value means subtract smaller from greater. Teacher will explain you whatever she has read just now. Okay. Now children, look for the example. What teacher she has written? A symbol of smaller value before a symbol of greater value. Now children, you all can see in the example, teacher she has written I and V, and in the last slide we know that I is equals to 1 and V equals 5, children. We know now that means V is greater than I. Yes. And look, a symbol of smaller value. So here I is smaller than V. So I is written before the greater value V. Whenever a smaller value is written before a symbol of greater value, means you need to do the subtraction. So children, I is smaller than V. So this is confirmed that we need to do subtraction. So equals to 5 minus 1. Here 5 means V ka value is 5, children, and I value is 1. So 5 minus 1 equals 4. So whenever smaller value is written before greater value, you need to do subtraction. Children, again one more example, I and X. You all know I means 1 and X means 10. Means children, who is greater? X is greater than I. So the smaller value I is written before X. And children, whenever smaller is written before the greater one, we do subtraction. So again subtraction. 10 minus 1. Here 10, that is the value of X, minus 1, which is the value of I. 10 minus 1 equals. Now children, the last one is a symbol of smaller value after a symbol of greater value means add smaller value to greater. Children, the D1 rule was what? A symbol of smaller value before a symbol of greater value. Then it was subtraction, just the opposite to that. A symbol of smaller value after a symbol of greater value means addition. Now you all can see the example, children. V is equals to 5 and I equals 1, children. Here I is smaller than V, but I is written after V. Right? Smaller is written after greater. So whenever this condition is there, we need to do addition. So children, V ka value is 5 and I ka value is 1. So 5 plus 1, because we need to do the addition. So Vi is equals to 5 plus 1, which equals to 6. Again, then the next example, children, X and I. X ka value is 10 and I ka value is 1. Here again the smaller value is written after the greater value. Children, whenever a symbol of smaller value after a symbol of greater value means add smaller value to greater. So 10 plus 1 equals 11. Okay. Now children, using a combination of these, the symbols I, V and X, we can write the numbers up to 39. You need to study only 1 to 39. Children, here we have some more examples. A, B, C, D. I have given 4 examples. We can have a look into this one by one. The first one is, children, X double I, right? So the rule, what the rule says, if the smaller symbol is after the greater symbols, we do addition. So here X is greater than I, children. That is the reason we have done addition. So X is 10 and double I means, children, 2. So 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. Now moving on to the next one, XIV. Children, listen and look carefully. Here if you will see on your screen, X, I and V. I have written X ka value 10 as it is plus 5 minus 1. Why I have done 5 minus 1, children? Because if you all can see X, I and V. Children, here I is smaller than V and it is written before V. As per our rule D, whenever the smaller symbol is written before the greater symbol, we do subtraction. So children, here I is written before the greater symbol V. That is the reason we are doing subtraction. So children, here 10 is written as it is, plus IV के लिए V का value is 5 and I's value is 1. So 5 minus 1, that is 4. 10 plus 4, 14. Understood? You only need to take care of that IV. The rule number D applies over here. Now children, comes the C1. Double XI. Again, if you all can see, teacher she has written X ka value 10. Again X ka value 10. Now children, I is smaller than 10. So there is no subtraction. Smaller value is after the greater value. So we will do addition children. Plus 1. So 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 1 is 1, 21. Now comes the last one. Double X, IX. If you will see, again I is a smaller value which is put before X. Right? So here X ka value, first X ka value is 10. Second X ka value is 10. Now I is before X, smaller is before the greater one. So we'll do subtraction, rule number D children. So 10 minus 1. So 20 plus 9 is equals to 29. Children, the more you will practice, the more you will confidence of this. Since we have studied all the rules at a time, that is the reason that might be you will find it a little difficult, but it is not that difficult. Once you will practice, you will get the confidence of doing so. Now comes the questions slide children. Here a few numbers are given, that is in the Hindu Arabic form. You need to write the Roman numerals of these Hindu Arabic numeral. Thank you children.